Are you tired of feeling super sore after your daily walk? Now, when you're over 50, you absolutely should do more walking, but you also should absolutely do more stretching. Here are two of my favorite stretches to do after your daily walk. After you come in from the walk, one hand goes on the wall, the other hand takes your foot or ankle. Try and stand up straight, and if you want to get fancy, squeeze your knees together and round your back a little bit. Hold that for about 3 breaths, then do the other side. The other stretch that you should do is a cross-legged forward bend. What you do is you cross one leg over the other and you bend both knees just a little bit. You pivot from the hips and you bring your hands to the floor. But for a lot of us, bringing our hand to the floor is too far away. So we grab 2 yoga blocks or a chair or a couch or a stool and we bring our hands on there. We hold this for about 3 breaths and then we come up and do the other side. Those are 2 super fabulous stretches to do after your daily walk. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes.